Okay, today we're going to cover lesson 100, multiplying with multi-digit decimals. Okay, so before we begin today, I want to talk about multiplying by multiples of 10, multiplying by 100, by 10, by 1,000, and being able to do that in our head. So we know that, say we have 10, we multiply times 34. Instead of doing this, actually let me write this a different way. 34 times 10. Okay? We can do the long way and multiply. 0 times 4 is 0. Okay? I know this whole thing will be 0, so I can just go straight to my 1. 1 times 4 is 4. And 3 times 1 is 3. So my answer is 340. Now relating this to a decimal, if here is my decimal, when I multiply by 10, my decimal is going to move one place to the right because my number is 10 times bigger. If I multiply 34 times 100, my answer will be 3,400. I'm going to move the decimal 2 places to the right because I have a 0 here and a 0 here. Okay? We can do the same thing when multiplying by a decimal. If I have 3.4 times 10, that decimal is now going to again move one place to the right, and now my answer is 34. So 3.4 times 10, I could multiply this out. 4 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. But here I have one place to the right of the decimal. So I put my decimal on the end, I move it in one place, and now my answer is 34. So whenever you multiply by 10, you can automatically move the decimal one place to the right. If I multiply by 100, I can automatically move my decimal 2 places to the right. So my answer would be 340. So let's take a look at example number 1. 1.234 times 100. 1.234 times 100. We're going to do it the quick way first. And because I'm multiplying by 100, I can move my decimal 2 places to the right. So my answer becomes 123.4. Now to check that we are correct, let's go back. 1.234 times 100. 0, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1. There are 1, 2, 3 places to the right of the decimal. So I move my decimal 1, 2, 3 places. And here I have 123.4. So you will, of course, write the original problem, and then you can show moving your decimal if you want to, and then put the original or the answer and box it. But you must write the original problem. Okay? All right, example 2. Okay, find the product of 32 and 4.5. Okay, this time I can't just move a decimal over because I'm not multiplying by a factor of 10. So I have to actually do my work. 32, 4.5. Make sure you copy the problem correctly. Again, it does not matter if your decimals are lined up. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. Where are you? There we go. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. For my placeholder, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 0, 14, 4, 1. Okay, now that I have my answer here. Now I go look, there is one number to the right of the decimal, so I move my decimal from the end of my number to the left one place to 144. Now I can simplify and get rid of this 0, so my total answer would be 144. Because there is no number to the right of my decimal, I can leave off the decimal altogether. Okay, let's look at example number 3. Okay, 14.4 times 2.7. Okay, 14.4 times 2.7. Now, even though these decimals do line up, we are not going to worry about the decimals until we are done multiplying. So you multiply like normal. 2 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. It's 2. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30. Carry the 3. 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10. Put my placeholder. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. Add it up. 8, 8, 8, 3. And now I count my decimals. I have 2 numbers to the right of the decimal. So I move 1, 2 spaces and place my decimal. So my answer equals 38.88. Okay? You guys know how to do this. Make sure you watch those decimal places. Okay? Have a great evening, and I will see you in the morning.